Let's try two recipes of baked oats. A sweet one that is like an apple pie and a savory one that has some Italian elements.
Hi, my name is Felu, and on this channel I show local recipes that could help you on a weight loss journey. And today I will show you two baked oatmeal recipes. The first one will be an Italian twist savory one, and the second a apple pie sweet one. So let's get into this video.
Starting with the savory one, you will need 1 red onion, 50 grams of chopped tomatoes, a little bit of spinach, 1 whole egg, 100 grams of egg whites, then 200 grams of vegetable stock, but you can also use beef or chicken stock. And then 40 grams of fat-free mozzarella. Then for spices, I will add salt, pepper, some garlic powder, and some chili powder. Now we'll take a bowl and add in 50 grams of oats. You don't need to blend them. Then I will add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder. It's about 2 grams, and give everything a mix until it's combined. Now we'll take my onion, half it, peel it, and then chop it up into little chunks. The same goes for my spinach. This is roughly 10 to 15 grams, and also for my tomatoes. I will roughly chop them, and then everything goes into the oats into my bowl. Okay, next is my eggs. I will crack the egg and add it in, followed up by the 100 grams of egg whites and also the 200 grams of stock. Then I will add in 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Now we'll take a whisk and mix this until it has almost a creamy consistency like scrambled eggs. This now gets into the oven for 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. In the meantime, I will cut my mozzarella into slices, and after 30 minutes or so, I will take out my baking foam, add the mozzarella on top, and put it back into the oven for another 10 minutes until everything is melted. The entire recipe comes in with 350 calories, 40 grams of carbs, 9 grams of fat, and 24 grams of protein. Moving on with the sweet one, and for that you need a blender. I will add in 60 grams of oats, again 1 teaspoon of baking powder, then 30 grams of vanilla flavored whey protein powder, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of sugar-free maple syrup, followed up by 50 grams of milk. I used almond milk, and then again I will add in 1 whole egg. Next is an apple. I will cut this into quarter and then chop it up into chunks. Then I will take a knife and remove the grains from the middle of the apple and put everything into the blender. And now you guessed it right, I will blend this up until it has a smooth consistency like this. As soon as you are done, transfer this into a little bowl, and then this gets into the oven for 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Now you can eat this right away, or you can top it off with some low-fat Greek yogurt with 1 serving of PB2 or 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. The entire recipe without the topping have 491 calories, 59 grams of carbs, 11 grams of fat, and 37 grams of protein. And all we got to do now is give both a taste test.
Okay, let's start with the mozzarella Italian style one. The combination of eggs and the nutty flavor from the oats is just absolutely perfect. This is a perfect breakfast for sure. So let's taste the sweet one. This is more like a cake consistency. Oh my god. This is just insanity. I would say this is a perfect protein dessert. So guys, don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of this kind of stuff. And see you in the next one.